addicted to making myself sneeze.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Sneeze, and I remember when I was little, my mum showed me, yeah, we did this in class,
What?
how to twizzle.
Never heard
no,
this.
Get,
Can you calm down? Oh boy. Yeah, your limit for today is 3.
That was 2.
No, just let me know.
petition, I'm going to show you.
No, I'm not.
How
I
to
don't know how
twizzle
to
a
read them.
toilet roll into a point, stick it up my nose, and make myself sneeze to relieve my sinus.
What? It makes you. Go
It
on
makes
then.
you sneeze. Hang on.
It obviously hasn't worked for you, so you can stop putting that thing up your nose now.
There you go.
It worked.
Nice work. You should do it at school. All the time.
No.
Yeah, honestly. See?
That's a shame.
You're impressed?
Yeah, but no, but yeah.
Good morning. I'm literally allergic to anything and everything. If I take a big enough whiff of the outside air, I'll probably start sneezing. Let me see. Oh shit. When we were getting the house back, I had specifically told them oak trees, and they said, oh no, we don't use oak, we use, I don't fucking know, something not oak. They lied. I have 4 oak trees outside my house. So every time I like to come out here, I can't 100% enjoy myself, you know what I mean? So I can't be out here for too long, but what do? I make sneezing videos for people who like people who sneeze. So let me know how I can be of service to you.
Did you fake that?
I swear to God, it's not fake.
Did you fake it?
No. And just put it where it's comfortable.
No, that's not doing anything.
No, because down there, and you kind of push it in a bit.
How? Are you faking
No, I
that?
swear to God.
Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, that feels so good. How did you discover that? Did you see that on TikTok?
Obrigada, vó. Agora, graças a você, toda vez que eu espirrar, eu espirro desse mesmo jeito. Eu não sei espirrar baixo. Não sei. Ai, galera, então, pra quem não sabe, boa parte da minha vida eu convivi com os meus avós. Meus pais trabalhavam muito, eles eram separados, ficaram um tempo juntos, mas depois separaram. E eu convivia bastante com meus avós. E toda vez eu via minha avó espirrando assim. E hoje em dia eu espirro igualzinho. Eu não sei espirrar baixinho. Eu não sei. Eu espirro com a garganta, sabe? Não sei o que acontece. Día 2. Con alergia. No. Acabo de terminar de desayunar. Y ahorita voy a hacer la cama, doblar mi ropa y me voy a ir a casa de mi mamá. Oh my gosh. Voy a irme a casa de madre a estar un rato con ella. I woke up this morning to this. But I laugh when people say, "Oh, I am reality." No, you don't. You don't live the life I live. You don't live with this.
Look, people like a loud sneeze. Every now and then I feel that orgasm, lean into it. But I was on a flight and this person was blowing their nose like a trombone to the point that it startled me. It was, and everyone was shook. And I'm like, is that genetic? Is your nose canal a certain angle that it comes out that way?
My favorite thing ever is when Kitty sneezes. When your cat sneezes, you're like, there's something that reinforces that they have organs inside their body, and you're like, oh my god, I forgot you.
Well,
you
the best
have
part
lungs.
is there's no lead up, so they just go, and then they're scared. They're like, what just
like
happened to
I
me?
want to squeeze her head. Where were you?
On a plane. I was sleeping on a plane. So basically, think of the most comfortable place you could be, and then someone takes a
The
full
only
marching
thing
band.
I will say is I have been the person on a plane that's so stuffed up, and I'm like, I don't give a flying
No, I'm okay with
fuck.
that. You just
Oh my god. Me acabo de bañar. Esta alergia. Oh my goodness. Que alguien me explique qué pasó aquí, porque no comprendo. Ok, voy a terminar de hacerme el skincare. Esto, obvio, infaltable en mi rutina. Amo esta centela. Serum para los ojitos. Así que vamos a hacer eso rápidamente. Así, yo también. Ya. Me queda sacrificio. Estamos listas. Amé.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Have a